Hi, this is Anju. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to learn what are the new changes in question paper pattern by CBSE. So it is done in all subjects. So let us see what are the new changes in question paper pattern. So here we are going to see changes in question paper pattern class 10 CBSE 2020 to 21. So let us see what are the changes. So first of all we are going to take math subjects. So here is mathematics code 041 changes in exam. So you can see two sides of this paper. First is previous pattern and second we will see a new pattern. So previous pattern, what was that? Section A, it was divided into 20 marks or it contains 20 marks. Question 1 to 20, 1 marks each. Section B, question 21 to 26, 2 marks each. Section C, 27 to 34, 3 marks each. And section D, question number 35 to 40, 4 marks each. So now this pattern is completely changed. अब इसमें हम क्या देखते हैं कि paper contains two parts. Now this is the new paper when you will have 20 to 21 question paper. It contains two parts, part A and part B. जो पहले 4 पार्ट होते थे अब उसको डिवाइड कर दिया है 2 पार्ट्स में. So here will be part A and part B. Part A में question 1 to 16 1 marks each and question 17 to 20 4 marks each. It can be based on case studies. Then part B, question 21 to 26 2 marks each, question 21 to 33 3 marks each, and question 34 to 36 5 marks each. So what is the difference between two patterns? जो आप पहले का पैटर्न देखते हैं उसमें देखते हैं कि 40 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर होता है. 40 मार्क्स इसमें इंक्लूड लाइक 35 टू 40 क्वेश्चन इंक्लूड किए गए हैं. एंड हेयर यू कैन सी 36 क्वेश्चंस इंक्लूड किए गए हैं. तो यानी कि अभी जो आप देखेंगे वो आपको 36 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे. सो हेयर it is the pattern of mathematics. Now come to the next subject, that is English. In English, what are the changes? As we all know, code is 184 class 10. Let us see previous pattern. See, this is the previous pattern. Number of sections A, B and C. So there were 3 sections A, B, C. Section A, reading, question number 1 to 2 comprehension questions. Then section B, writing and grammar, question number 3 to question number 7. Then section C, literature, question number 8 to question number 11. So these questions were included in previous pattern. Now let us see current pattern, which is recently changed. So this is the 2021 paper pattern. Number of sections 2. See here A, B, C 3 sections, and now number of sections 2, section A and section B. Section A, you can see reading, question 1 to 2, literature, question 3 to 4, grammar, question 6 to 7. Then come to the section B, writing portion, question 8 to 9, literature, question 10 to 13, and choice questions given for visually challenged candidate like picture comprehension questions, etc. So these are the changes. Now you can compare also previous changes, previous pattern and recent pattern. Now come to the next subject, that is science. Let us see what are the changes. Science code 086 changes in exam. Come to the previous pattern. Previous pattern में number of sections 3, A, B and C. Section A, question 1 to 14, 1 marks each, and 2 questions has 4 subparts. Then section B, question 15 to 24, 3 marks each. Section C, question 25 to 30, 5 marks each. So these were the previous pattern questions. Now let us see what is new. So this is the recent change pattern, 2021 paper pattern. Number of sections 4. Section A, B, C, D. See, again you can see previous pattern. Section were A, B and C. Now sections are A, B, C, D. So section A, question 1 to 20, 1 marks each. Section B, question 21 to 26, 2 marks each. Section C, question 27 to 33, 3 marks each. And section D, last section, question 34 to 36, 5 marks each. So now you can compare the pattern. So these are the changes of science subjects. Next, come to the social science. Social science code 087, changes in exam pattern. Let us see previous pattern. Total 35 questions. इसमें जो क्वेश्चन दिए जाते थे पहले, these were total 35 questions. Number of sections 3, A, B and C. Section A, question 1 to 20, 1 mark. Section B, question 21 to 28, 3 marks each. Section C, question 29 to 34, 5 marks each. And question number 5, which were map pointing, 6 marks under 2 sections, history and geography, both. So these questions related to previous pattern. Now let us see the new pattern, 2021 paper pattern of social science. See, one important difference between previous pattern and now new pattern. See, earlier question numbers 35 and now it is reduced, 32 questions only. So what are the changes? Number of sections A to E. Sections increased. Earlier sections कम थे, A, B, C, 3 sections थे. Now sections are increased. So let us see what are these. Section A, question number 1 to 16, 1 marks each. Section B, question number 17 to 22, 3 marks each. Section C, question 23 to 26, 4 marks each. Section D, question 27 to 31, 5 marks each. And last section, that is section E, question 22, that is map based, map pointing. So now map pointing is 5 marks under 2 section, history and geography as it is. बट इसमें चेंजेस क्या हैं देखिए, एक तो 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन इंक्लूड किया गया है. 4 मार्क्स, अर्लियर इट वाज नॉट देयर. अर्लियर जो मार्क्स थे वो 1 मार्क, 3 मार्क्स, 5 मार्क्स एंड लास्ट में मैप 6 मार्क्स. ओके, बट नाउ 4 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन इंक्लूडेड. सो 1 मार्क, 3 मार्क्स, 4 मार्क्स, 5 marks questions will be there, and 32 question number 32, that will be map pointing, 5 marks under section history and geography. So we can compare like this, previous pattern and recent pattern. Next subject or last subject we will see, that is Hindi B, code 85. So let us see what are the changes in exam pattern. See, come to the previous pattern. Previous pattern, number of sections, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha means 4 sections. खंड का अपठित अंश यानी अनसीन पैसेज. देन खंड खा व्यावहारिक व्याकरण, ग्रामर पोर्शन. देन खंड ग पाठ्य पुस्तक एंड पूरक पाठ्य पुस्तक यानी कि रिलेटेड टू प्रोज यानी गद्य का पोर्शन. और खंड घा में लेखन है, इसमें राइटिंग पोर्शन है. इट वॉज द प्रीवियस पैटर्न. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट आर द चेंजेस. So 2021 paper pattern is number of sections 2. See, previous these were ka kha ga gha 4 sections, but now अभी जो पेपर में sections किए गए हैं वो हैं केवल 2 sections, खंड आ और खंड ब. सो खंड आ में वस्तु पूरक प्रश्न, इसमें अपठित गद्यांश भी दिया जाएगा. देन पाठ्य पुस्तक और व्यावहारिक व्याकरण, ये तीनों ही चीज़ें, तीनों ही जो कंटेंट्स इसमें लिए गए हैं वस्तु पूरक प्रश्न में. फिर आ जाते हैं खंड बा पे, जिसमें वर्णात्मक प्रश्न दिए जाएंगे पाठ्य पुस्तक से रिलेटेड और पूरक पाठ्य पुस्तक से रिलेटेड, और साथ में इसमें इंक्लूड किया गया है लेखन यानी राइटिंग पोर्शन. सो ये जो चेंजेस हैं ये किए गए हैं हिंदी में. सो लेट अस कंपेयर अगेन. आप देख सकते हैं आराम से, आप कंपेयर कर सकते हैं दोनों प्रीवियस सेक्शन एंड 2021 पेपर pattern. So in this way we can understand easily what are the changes done in recent syllabus, recent paper pattern. So these are the all subjects. I hope everybody understood very well and मैंने पूरी कोशिश की है कि मैं आपको अच्छे से समझा सकूं. And I hope this video will be very useful to everyone, those who are going to appear 2021 in board examination.